Making this video after watching another video that used a water bottle to get gasoline into a car. This is much improved in my opinion. Borrowed a liquor bottle, 1.75 liter from my neighbor. The other person used a little water bottle, which you can do, but it's much nicer this way. I circled this, I cut this part out, I circled it in black so you'd see it easier on the video. The other person used a pencil or a pen. If there's a little flap in your can, or going into your car, there's a little flap down there. I modified that with the hanger. You're going to see the whole thing here in a second, like that. Now, I don't have the flap, so you can take or leave this hanger, I guess, depending on if you have a flap or not. But just thought y'all might want to, would benefit from this. If you make it nice and tight, it'll stay in, probably stay with the funnel, the homemade funnel, if you keep it around after you use it. Anyways, gets gas into the car. Really simple, and you got a place to pour it into and everything.